Hi guys, today I'm going to show you what you get here in this set, which is an RGB charging head strap for the Meta Quest 3S. What's very important to know, even though it says 3S, it works absolutely perfect also for the Model 3, which is the high-end model. And so it's a very easy to use, very easy to apply set. You don't need any screwdrivers. It's ready in 5 minutes or even less. It has a built-in large 12,000 milliamps battery, so it can extend your playtime a lot. Then we have the beautiful RGB in the back, and we have huge additional comfort here on the top, which we don't have is the original straps. Also huge additional comfort in the back. What's also a huge plus here is with the additional weight of the battery here, it's much more balanced than with the original one, where we only have the weight here in the front. My son has tested that already for a couple of days and he absolutely likes it. And I can tell you, he's usually super picky and really hard to convince about additional things, but he's really super happy with this thing. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you how easy it is to install, how you can use that. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so we get everything in this nice box, really well organized. Comes also with this instructions manual, all the items single wrapped, really good protection. We can already see it's good quality with really decent cushion. I mean, yeah, not only decent, but really good, absolutely awesome. And then the main item in one single piece, already pre-assembled. You don't have to do anything. You can see all of this one, really good quality, adjustable regarding the size here in the back. Also this wheel here makes a really solid impression. Then of course we have to remove the original strap here on the top. Very easy to just pull out. And then we have to remove this protection or these straps here from the side. Absolutely easy to do. And then we have to add the cushion here inside. Just push it here inside in these two areas. There's nothing to screw, just push it. Here inside has a really solid hold. And then of course we have to connect it with the original 3D glasses first. For example, on the left side, we align it. You can see, just make sure that everything really nicely fits. And then we just squeeze it together. Already done here on the left side, and same thing on the right side. Just align it, squeeze it together. Make sure that you give an extra squeeze to make sure that it's really nicely holding. But after that, it's absolutely nicely secured. We never had any issues with that. Has a really solid hold. And then of course we have to connect the power here, USB-C. So we have this extra power from the charging pack in the back. And then of course time to add the top strap. Just push it through the opening and then pull it out. Very easy. Secure it with the Velcro strap. Just connect it very loose like that, because you can readjust it after that while wearing it. And so we have it here. Looks absolutely awesome, really beautiful. With a long press we can turn it on, see the battery charge, and then we push again to turn it on. You can see this absolutely beautiful RGB light. I mean, of course, with the camera, it's a little bit difficult to catch these really nice colors, but in real life, it's even more beautiful. And so like that, it's very easy to put on. Just put it over your head. Then you can secure it first in the back here. Make sure that it's nicely aligned. Can even secure it alone. You don't need any other person. Then you can adjust the strap here additionally, and so it has a perfect hold. It doesn't move at all, no matter what you do, no matter how you're moving around. Absolutely precise and much more comfortable than before. Here on the screen you can see also confirmation that the Oculus battery is now charging from this battery here. Now with this extra battery pack, it's absolutely perfectly balanced now, much better than before. So it's definitely much more comfortable. You can enjoy gaming much longer without getting tired. And so it's working absolutely perfect. So much more comfortable than before for longer gaming. So not only a huge improvement regarding battery runtime, but also regarding comfort. My son has been confirming me that he can play now for hours without getting any pressure on the head. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this set, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.